Okay, the next step. Almost done here. And as you can see here, as I was saying, there is the surprise perfect polygon that fits with a pentagon and a perfect equilateral triangle stacked on top of the pentagon. It fits perfectly inside a perfect octagon. It just happens to be that the height of that and the height of that fit perfectly inside the octagon, while they all have the same measurements of their sides. I just thought that was pretty neat, and I decided to share it. I don't know, make geometry a bit fun here. Maybe we can make geometry great again. And okay, so how did I do this? So back to my last video that I was talking about, in case somebody doesn't know how to do that, with the drawing compass, you need to get your 4 corners, okay, on your circle, which is there. There's the other 2. And that circle there, there's that one there. There's another line in there, which I'm going to use later. Ignore that little line there. It's the top of the circles, that the square. The corners, or these reference points rather, that you will need simply to start you off. Once you get, like for this side, this circle, you get when you get this reference point, that corner of that square, and you start from here, and that gives you your diagonal, right? A perfect 45. And you do the same down there, and then that gives you those 2 reference points, and you draw a line according to those 2 reference points, and that gives you the sides rather of the octagons. And then it's just simply a matter of taking that measurement, which is going to be your consistent throughout this whole thing, is, you know, the sides of all of these different polygons are going to be the same measurement. Okay. And then I've erased a lot of lines here, but remember there was you had this point here. So this is going to be one of the sides of the octagon. So you had that side, and you had this one here, and then all you had to do was mark it there, and go from there, mark it there, and that gives you that point there. And you just connect it, do the other side the same way, find that diagonal by finding the corner of that square. Same thing, then you get your line from that. Those 2 sides of those 2 octagons are going to share the same side. In terms of this axis here. And then same thing, just mark it there. And from there, you just mark it that way. And that gives you that point there. And you complete your octagon. The same one for down there. I'm going to finish this up. Erase all the stuff you don't need. You won't need the circles after this. And then I'll show you what it looks like in the end.